Hi.
Hi.
And what are you going to do?
I'm singing a Jaws song.
Okay, sing the Jaws song.
Now! Push the button.
I'm recording you right now. Who's Jaws?
He's a great white shark.
And what's that great white shark do to people?
Eat.
He eats them.
And eat and taste blood.
Do you think that people taste good?
Yes.
Yes? Would you eat people?
No.
If you were a shark, would you eat people?
Yes. And eat animals, action figures. I'm gonna eat action figures.
You're going to eat the action figures?
Yes.
And then what are you going to do?
And taste blood. I put it in my stomach.
Ew. You don't want to put that in your stomach, do you?
And make blood. Make a blood red.
Yeah, blood is red.
Make a pour blood in this tub.
You don't want to be a shark, though, do you?
Yes.
You do?
I want to be a shark.
Oh, would you eat? Would you eat swimmers?
Yes.
Yeah. All right, say goodbye. Look at the camera, Roman.
Goodbye.
Say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Look at the camera. Thank you. Love you.